Are all processed foods unhealthy?
Many people believe that all processed foods are bad for you. But is that really the case? Today, we'll explore the different types of processed foods and find out which ones can be included in a healthy diet and which are best limited.
What does processed food mean?
Processed food simply means any food that has been altered from its original form. This can include washing, cutting, cooking, freezing, or packaging. Both bagged salad and instant noodles are technically processed, but their effects on health can be very different.
Are all processed foods the same?
Not all processed foods are equal. Minimally processed foods, like frozen vegetables or canned beans, can be nutritious. Heavily processed foods, such as chips or sugary cereals, often contain high amounts of salt, sugar, and unhealthy fats, making them less healthy choices.
Can processed foods be part of a healthy diet?
Yes, some processed foods can be part of a healthy diet. Foods like whole grain bread, low-fat yogurt, and canned fish provide valuable nutrients. The key is to read ingredient labels and choose options with less added sugar, salt, and unhealthy fats.
Which processed foods should you limit?
It's best to limit highly processed foods with long ingredient lists, artificial additives, or excessive amounts of sugar and sodium. Common examples include processed meats, soda, packaged snacks, and some ready-to-eat meals. Focusing on whole or minimally processed foods is generally healthier.
How can you make better choices?
Aim to prepare meals at home when possible and use minimally processed ingredients. When buying packaged foods, look for items with simple ingredient lists and low amounts of added sugar, salt, and unhealthy fats. This approach can help you enjoy convenience while supporting your overall health.